Hi and welcome to another video. This is Eleni and today I'm going to share with you how I created a girl that I call Happy Accident. A while ago I was participating in a daily art challenge and I started to draw a face on a stencil background when I realized that the stencil in the background could serve as her hair. So that is what I did. I let it be her hair and she turned out pretty cute, if I may say so. Therefore, I will now recreate the process on video on purpose this time so that I can share it with you and hopefully inspire you to something similar. I usually spray inks, or in this case glimmer mists, through stencils on the pages in my journals just for the fun of it, and this way I have backgrounds I can work over without having to start on a blank page that can sometimes be a little bit scary. Then I'm going to use colored pencils, matte acrylics, gouache, soft pastels, paint pens and a black marker to create this girl. And because I want you to have fun creating with me, I'm going to give you a free printable sketch of only the face of her so that you can use one of your own stencils to serve as hair. You can find the link to it in the description box below, download and print it and come and play along with me. Hope you enjoy my process, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments under this video and I will answer them as soon as I can. this is it. Hope you came along and played with me and hope you had fun. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment under it, but also make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get notified about my new videos. Thank you so much for being here. Stay safe and see you soon. Love and kisses.